Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the golf ball from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large circle. Next, we're going to hop inside and draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. Now on top, let's draw an angled line up on top of each eye for the eyebrows. Now starting from the center, let's curve it up on top and bring it out to the ends. And let's color them in black. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve over and bring it up on the right side. And now let's do the same thing on top to thicken up the line. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 lines down. Now next to each of the lines on the left, let's draw another shorter one down. And then at the bottom, let's curve it over to the left like this. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a line across. Now let's color them both in black. And that's it for the golf ball. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!